What's up everyone? After our follow-up video on the Made on YouTube announcements, the comment sections were full of some excellent, very specific questions, and I love the energy. Keep the questions coming. So in this video we are doing a quick FAQ session to answer your most pressing questions. Before we start, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on future YouTube updates like these. And now let's get right into it. Can you use the new collaborations feature on live streams? The answer is unfortunately yes and no. So yes, you can collaborate us to the archive of a live stream after it has ended, but you cannot have multiple creators collaborating on an active live stream, at least for now. My take on this is it's a technical limitation. Adding a collaborator to a VOD is just a simple metadata change, while doing it live would require much more complex infrastructure. For now, suggest they might be working on it, but don't expect it too soon. If you create a short using the VO3 text-to-video feature or any of the other AI features, do you have to disclose it as AI-generated content? Simple answer is yes, any content generated with VO3 will automatically get the standard AI disclosure label from YouTube. This is consistent with their existing policy, so no surprises here. This is a big one. Will YouTube give viewers an option to disable or hide AI-generated content from their feeds? I took this question to my contacts and the answer is that they have not heard any plans for this. It seems very unlikely to happen. YouTube is very heavily investing in these tools and they want to encourage creation and viewership with this content and not give a user a button to turn it off at all. So unfortunately for now, expect to see more AI content and not less. Up next are a few questions regarding the new multi-aspect streaming feature. First, will it send 2 live stream notifications to your subscribers and will 2 streams show up in their feed? The answer here is actually pretty smart. Only 1 notification gets sent and it's for the horizontal live stream. From there, the horizontal version will appear in the usual places like the subs feed, the recommendations and the home feed, while the vertical version will only appear in the shorts feed. So they have thought about it and went for a solution that doesn't spam your subscribers. Next, can a viewer who is watching the vertical stream swap over to the horizontal one or vice versa? The answer is no. There's currently no swapping functionality. The version the viewer sees is determined by where they discovered the stream. So if they find it in the shorts feed, they'll see the vertical version. If they find it on your channel page or through recommendations, they will see the horizontal one. No one is stopping you from pinning a link to either version in the chat though. Alright, the next question is actually more of a complaint. Why are fan communities so clunky and basically unusable on desktop? It's a fantastic question and you're 100% correct. So far the desktop experience has been terrible. But on good news, that is finally changing. YouTube has started a 1% launch of a massive update that brings full functionality to fan communities on desktop. Viewers can finally view and post from the desktop for the first time. And as a creator, you can now post, reply and moderate directly from the community page on your desktop channel. You get all the standard moderation tools with only pinning and hearting posts missing for now. It's a slow rollout, but it's a clear sign that YouTube is finally taking desktop experience for communities seriously. There is a rollout plan and it says it should be finished by October 9th, but I'm still a little bit hesitant on that, so we'll see how it goes. Please check your channels if you have access by then. And finally, a great technical question. Is the new RStudio feature just a fork of the public Gemini model? And the answer is a little bit nuanced. All of Google's AI chat tools are built using some version of the Gemini family of models, but my contact has made it very clear that RStudio is very different from the public Gemini model. Think of it this way. They both use the same core engine, but they are tuned for completely different purposes. The public Gemini is a generalist, while RStudio is a specialist that has been highly trained on YouTube analytics and creator data. Alright, that's it for this FAQ session. Thanks for the excellent questions from all of you folks. If you have more, keep them leaving in the comments below. We are always digging for answers. And one last thing, if you're watching this from a personal account on your mobile phone, I would really appreciate it if you hype this video. It's a free way to support the channel and it helps more creators see this information. So thanks for watching, take care and see you next week with more YouTube updates.